One quiet afternoon, Emma returned home from work to find a small brown package sitting on her doorstep. She wasn't expecting any deliveries, so the sight of the package confused her. There was no return address, and her name was written in unfamiliar handwriting. Curious, she brought the package inside, set it on the table, and stared at it. Who could have sent this? She wondered. After a moment of hesitation, she carefully opened it. Inside was a small, beautifully carved wooden box. It had intricate designs of flowers and leaves covering its surface, and a tiny key was tied to it with a thin red ribbon. Emma turned the box over in her hands, examining it. There was no note or explanation. She felt a strange mixture of excitement and caution. What could be inside? She inserted the key into the lock, her heart pounding with anticipation. As the box opened with a soft click, she peered inside. To her surprise, the box was empty, at least, it seemed empty at first. But when she tilted it towards the light, she noticed something small in the corner. It was an old photograph. The picture showed a young girl sitting on a swing in a park, laughing joyfully. The girl looked familiar, and after a moment, Emma realized with shock that the girl in the photo was her. But who could have this picture, and why send it now? Suddenly, her phone rang. She jumped, startled out of her thoughts. It was her older brother, Tom. "Hey, Emma. Did you get the package?" he asked cheerfully. "Tom? You sent this? What is this all about?" she replied, still confused. Tom laughed. "It's a little family treasure. I found that box while going through some old things at Grandma's house." "The photo? That's from when we used to go to the park every Sunday. Remember?" Emma's confusion faded, replaced by a warm sense of nostalgia. She smiled, thinking back to those carefree days at the park with her family. "I thought you'd like to have it," Tom continued. "A little reminder of the good old days." Emma held the box close, feeling grateful for the unexpected gift. It wasn't just a box, it was a memory, a connection to her past.
Now it's quiz time. What did Emma find on her doorstep? A. A letter. B. A package. C. A flower. D. A key. Answer. B. A package. What was inside the package? A. A book. B. A toy. C. A wooden box. D. A letter. And answer. C. A wooden box. What was tied to the wooden box? A. A ribbon. B. A note. C. A key. D. A flower. Answer. C. A key. What did Emma find inside the box? A. A ring. B. A letter. C. A photograph. D. A coin. Answer. C. A photograph. Who sent the package to Emma? A. Her friend. B. Her brother. C. A stranger. D. Her neighbor. Answer. B. Her brother.
Now it's vocabulary time. Intricate, meaning, very detailed and complicated in design. Nostalgia, meaning, a sentimental longing for the past, often for a happy memory. Anticipation, meaning, a feeling of excitement or nervousness about something that is going to happen. Hesitation, meaning, the act of pausing before doing something, often due to uncertainty. Familiar, meaning, well known or easily recognized.